Hey, what are you doing in there? You idiot! I was sleeping decently until you gave me a really rude awakening. Dude, I'm sorry. Go away. Seriously, man, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. That voice sounds so familiar. Oh, I know you. You're that idiot who wouldn't let me play Segway guy. Oh crud. I'm out of here. Yeah, you better run. Hurry up! Run! Anyways, I'm going to get more sleep.
You know, it's so boring just waiting for the presentation to start.
You said it right, sister.
Do not call me sister, ever, again.
Hey, I was just kidding. Don't get your knickers in a twist.
I'm so tired of...
Hey, do you need 5 billion more cups of coffee or something? You can barely stay awake.
Huh? I'm awake. I think.
Hey. They're about to start streaming the conference.
Oh, I'm awake, Mommy.
Seriously, you need to stop yawning so loud.
Shut up.